Okay, so I just got this octocoupler here and just going to show you how I tested it. So yeah, 2 pins on one side here should be a LED, and I think it's this side here. So you just test that like you would a diode, your multimeter in diode mode, and then connect positive to one side and negative to the other side. Connect positive and negative. Okay, so it's this side, I think. The other side was the transistor side. And there we go. So that's the positive side of the diode, is pin number 1 here, and number 2 is a negative. And then these 2 pins here are the transistor, and nothing should happen there. Should just be blank. And if you switch the leads around on this side, because it's a diode, nothing should happen on this side either. Should only happen going one way, like this. And that's how you figure out how to connect up the positive and negative. So yeah, now we know this is the positive side of the LED and this is the negative side. So we hook up 5 volts with a resistor. 5 volts, the plus goes to pin 1, the negative to pin 2, and the resistor goes in here, pin 1. I guess I don't know if it matters actually, but and then we connect the multimeter to these 2 pins here, and there should be, when we hook up 5 volts to this diode, this should become connected. So in diode mode or resistance. Right, so just got this octocoupler here, and I've connected, there's a diode, a light, there's a LED on one side connected between pin 1 and pin 2, and I've got that connected with a resistor to 5 volts, and then I've got my multimeter connected to the transistor side, and I've got the multimeter in diode mode. And then what happens is, there's a transistor, it's not connected to the LED, it turns on by the light, and that way the circuits are isolated. So to test it, we just turn on the power, and then there should be continuity, or there should be like resistance or whatever across the transistor pins. So I'll just turn it on. Just going to put my camera down. And now I've got 5 volts, and now there is it's connected, the 2 pins. You can see it's gone to 105 on diode mode, and then I'll unplug the power supply, and it drops, I guess because there's a bit of charge in the capacitor here. It takes a few seconds, but yeah, just thought I'd share that with you.